So far, we have learned the relationship between mole, number of particles, and molar mass. Now, using this relationship, we are going to perform mole concept calculations. So, as a review, we have this number of moles related to number of particles in terms of, yes, very good, Avogadro's number. And mole can actually be related to the number of grams of substance through the use of molar mass. So, as you can see in this diagram, mole is the bridge between the mass of substance and the number of particles. And in mole concept calculations, we are going to deal with, okay, interconverting grams to number of moles, interconverting number of moles to grams, interconverting number of particles to grams using the number of moles, and interconverting the grams into number of particles. Okay, start. Sample problem number 1. Okay, this involves interconversion from moles to grams. Okay, so aluminum is used to build lightweight bicycle frame. How many grams of aluminum are there in 3.00 mole of aluminum? So, how are we going to solve this problem? Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, first you have to identify the given and identify the missing quantity or missing value in the problem. Okay, so sino po o alin ang given? Okay, very good. We have 3 mole of aluminum. And the missing value is the grams. Now, in solving this problem, first, you have to write again the given. And based doon sa figure natin kanina, di ba, mole is related to grams in terms of molar mass. Now, we have to determine what is the molar mass of aluminum. Okay, and the molar mass of aluminum is in terms of gram per mole. Meaning to say, we have the atomic mass of element in terms of gram per mole. Okay, so writing this one, sir, saan po namin nakuha itong 27 per 1 mole of aluminum? Hindi po ba the molar mass of aluminum is 27 grams per mole? Therefore, pwede natin siyang i-interpret as sa kada 27 gram ng aluminum ay meron tayong 1 mole. Ngayon, sir, alin po ang ilalagay namin sa taas at alin po ang ilalagay namin sa baba? So, just as I mentioned last time, okay, we need to properly cancel the unit. So, we need to cancel unit from numerator and denominator. Hindi pwedeng numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, 3 mole aluminum can be interpreted as 3 mole over 1. So, alin ngayon ang numerator natin in this case? So, the mole aluminum. We need to cancel that unit and mapalabas natin yung unit na hinahanap natin sa problem. So, paano ngayon mag-cancel? Okay, you can cancel now the units of this numerator and this denominator. So, anong unit na lang yung natira? So, ang natira na lang sa atin is gram aluminum. Ano po ba ang hinahanap sa problem? We are asked to determine the grams of aluminum. So, tama na yung iyong solution. You need na lang to perform the indicated operation, which is you have to multiply 3 to 27 and then divide it by 1. So, what's gonna be the answer? Very good. We have 81.0 grams of aluminum. Okay. So, let's take this sample problem number 2 into consideration. Okay, we have grams to moles. The problem is allyl sulfide with the chemical formula C6H10S is a compound that has the odor of garlic. How many moles of C6H10S are in 225 grams of C6H10S? So, what's the first step in solving a problem? You need to identify what's the given. So, the given here is 225 grams of C6H10S, and the missing quantity is the moles of C6H10. Okay, now, solving this problem, okay, write the given first, and then think of the conversion factor for you to cancel gram C6H10. Kailangan kasi makuha mo yung hinahanap nating quantity. Okay, so in this case, how grams is related to moles? Diba? Through the use of molar mass, which is expressed in grams per mole. So, anong gagawin mong una? Okay, you have to compute for the molar mass of C6H10S. Diba, I previously discussed on how to compute the molar mass of compounds. So, you have to apply that. After getting the molar mass of the compound, okay, so we'll have this now. Okay, 114.08 is the molar mass of C6H10S. Okay, you have computed that already. Now, this is expressed in terms of gram per mole. Ngayon, sir, bakit po ang nangyari? Yung grams po ngayon ang nasa ibaba. Okay, it is because, di ba, ika-cancel natin yung unit na gram C6H10S. So, you are going to place it on the denominator and put 1 mole C6H10 sa taas as a numerator so that we can get the missing value, which is moles of C6H10S. Now, after properly canceling this unit, perform the indicated operation. In this case, we have 225 multiplied to 1 and divide it by 114.08. So, what's gonna be the answer? Yes, very good. We have 1.97 mole of C6H10S. So, we're done now with converting grams to number of moles and number of moles to grams. Okay, we will now consider our third example, which involves converting grams to moles and then to the number of particles. So our problem is about water. Water is considered as the universal solvent. How many molecules are present in a single drop of water with a weight of about 0.03 grams? So, how are we going to solve this problem? First, you have to identify the given, which is 0.03 grams, and the missing quantity, which is the molecules of water. Now, in solving the problem, write first the given, okay? And then, paano ba related itong si gram H2O kay number of particles? Makakapag-convert ba agad tayo? No. You need to use muna yung ating moles. Paano ba related si grams kay moles? Okay, we are going to use molar mass. So, what is the molar mass of water? Okay, kung alam mo na, pwede mo nang idiretsong i-compute dito. Pero if you do not know, you have to separately compute for the molar mass of H2O bago mo siya magamit. So, for instance, na-compute na natin. Okay, we have 1 mole H2O over 18.02 gram H2O. Sir, paano po nalaman na ilagay sa baba itong si 18.02 gram H2O at si 1 mole H2O sa taas? Okay, simple lang. You have to think of canceling the units. Diba? I previously mentioned to you na 0.03 gram H2O is over 1. Now, we can cancel this and this. So, matitira na yung mole. Ngayon, kapag natira na yung mole, kasi you have to follow this pattern eh. Okay, from grams, kailangan ma-convert mo muna siya sa mole bago mo ma-convert sa number of particles. Eh, since meron tayong mole dito, pwede na tayong mag-proceed kay number of particles through the use of Avogadro's number. We all know that in 1 mole of H2O, ilang molecules nga ulit ng H2O ang meron? Very good. We have 6.02 times 10 to the 23. And we are going to use that conversion. So, 6.02 times 10 to the 23 H2O molecules over 1 mole. Tatandaan lang po natin na ang paglalagay ng numerator at denominator ay arbitrary. Nakadepende lang siya dun sa conversion factor mo. Ngayon, kung ilalagay mo siya sa taas or sa baba, depende kung sino yung ika-cancel mong unit. Kasi pag binaliktad mo ulit yan, ang mangyayari, mole H2O multiplied to mole H2O ang kalalabasan. Pero pag ganito ang ginawa mo, we can now cancel yung ating mga units. So, after canceling the units, ano na ang susunod na gagawin? So, i-perform mo na yung mga operations na nasa iyong solution. Which is, si 0.03 ay kailangan mong i-multiply kay 1 at kailangan mong i-multiply kay 6.02 times 10 to the 23. Saka mo siya i-divide kay 18.02 at 1. Or may isang paraan. I-multiply mo muna lahat ng iyong numerator and then i-multiply mo muna lahat ng iyong denominator saka ka mag-divide. So that you will be able to get yung final answer. And our final answer is 1.0 times 10 to the 21 H2O molecules. So imagine, in just a drop of water, this is the number of particles na meron pala siya. Okay, so I hope we are clear with this. Now, let's take number 4 into consideration. So ito, pabalik naman, baliktad naman ng sample problem number 3. We are asked now to convert number of particles to grams, okay, through mole. So our problem involves tetraphosphorus decoxide or P4O10, and it is a powerful desiccant and dehydrating agent. So what is the mass in grams of 4.65 times 10 to the 22 molecules of P4O10? Now, again and again, you have to identify the given and the missing quantity. So in this case, our given is 4.65 times 10 to the 22 molecules of P4O10. And we are looking for the mass in terms of grams. Okay, now, to solve this problem, write again the given, and then think of a conversion factor na magpa-follow dito sa ating pattern para ma-convert mo siya papuntang grams. Okay, since hindi tayo pwedeng direktang mag-convert ng number of particles to grams, so gagamitin muna natin yung ating mole concept, which is, okay, sa isang mole ng kahit na ano ay equal kay Avogadro's number. So, our conversion factor will be 1 mole P4O10 over 6.02 times 10 to the 23 P4O10 molecules. Now, pwede na natin ngayong i-cancel itong unit niya. So, natira na lang ay mole. Ngayon, since mole na lang ang natira, pwede na ulit tayong mag-convert papuntang grams through the use of molar mass. So, what is the molar mass of P4O10? So, kukomputin yan. Now, in this presentation, na-compute na natin siya, and that is 284 grams of P4O10 over 1 mole. So, we can cancel the units. Ngayon, ito ang tip. Kapag na-cancel mo ng tama ang units, paniguradong papunta ka sa tamang sagot. Siyempre, huwag ka lang magkakamali ng pindot sa calculator mo kasi mamamali ka pa rin sa answer mo although tama yung iyong unit. Okay? So, ingat-ingat lang po. Now, ano po ang ating answer in this problem? So, we have 219 grams of P4O10. So, yung 4 scenarios na yon pag magsosolve kayo ng problem, tingnan nyo lang, okay? Analyze nyo lang mabuti yung problem, and then i-cancel nyo ng tama yung mga units, okay? At makakakuha kayo ng tamang sagot. So, di ba madali lang siya? Okay. Now, before I end this presentation, I would like to leave you with this quotation, okay, about small concept. Count things that matters and weigh them if they really matter. So sa buhay, di ba, maraming mga dumarating sa atin na mga pagsubok at mga blessings. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mabuti para sa atin. Okay? Ano yung mahalaga? At tingnan natin, timbangin natin, okay, kung ito ba talaga ay kailangan at mahalaga sa atin. So with that, I end our lesson in mole concept. So thank you for listening. God bless everyone and stay safe at your homes. Bye-bye!